Hello friends, good morning. This is another day at the homestead. Welcome back to the homestead. Today, I'm taking you somewhere for a hands-on task. Hello again. My name is Grace, and if you are new here, this is where we share our journey of sustainable living right here in rural Kenya. Today, I thought of bringing you along for a very hands-on task. But first, let's do the necessary things that we have to do before we leave the house. The task is we are going to prune avocados. Avocados is the livelihood of our lives in the village. So, welcome to my garden. We start with putting on the gloves, and also that this is the shears I'm going to use, or the cutting shears. Let's have a look at the tree before it is pruned. I also share with you 5 reasons, not actually 5 but 8. 8 reasons why I prune my avocados. First of all, the first one is to allow sunlight penetration. Thinning the canopy allows sunlight. As you know, sunlight is very important in plants so that it produces for the photosynthesis. So the second importance is air circulation. Better airflow reduces humidity within leaves. So that is the best way to prevent fungal diseases and pests. So the third point, or the third reason why I prune these avocados, is the size management because of the height. As we age, it is very important to have a manageable height, or to have a height that you can reach comfortably. And also, that is when you are harvesting the fruits. So it is very important to have a manageable height. That is why I'll clip the tip of the avocado. In this video, you are going to see. Also, before you start pruning, you have to identify the bad areas, like crisscrossing branches. Those ones have to be removed. And also the branches that have dried, because when they dry, they are going to bring diseases. So the fourth point is fruit quality. When you prune, you get good quality over quantity. You'll have few fruits, but good ones. The fifth reason is structural integrity. That is removing weak limbs that prevent the trees from splitting under the weight of heavy harvest. The sixth reason is removal of dead wood, because it drains the tree and also invite wood-boring insects. The seventh reason why I prune is to encourage new growth. And the eighth reason is balancing the tree, so that the tree gets balanced, so that one side does not get heavier than the other side. It is important to prune avocados so that you get a good quality avocado that the market will like. So, if you like my video, don't forget to like it, also comment and share. Active retirement is very important on the farm. So that is why I go to the farm to do the necessary things. Do you have a crop that you like to take care of? I really like to take care of my avocados. It is very fulfilling to live in the village and be active as a retiree. There are so many things that one can do, but in this video, I hope I have inspired you to try out avocado. Even if you don't have a big land, you can plant 1 or 2. This is actually the specific one or the specific breed of this avocado is Hass. It is called Hass avocado. We also plant that one that is called Whether, but very few. They are few. But the good one that goes well is Hass. So, I'll have to do the rest of the avocados or prune all the rest. So I'll do bit by bit until I finish all the avocados. What do you think of life in the village? I think it's good. It's a very good, fulfilling life. So you can see after we have pruned the avocado, now there is sunlight. At least you can see some light. After reducing the branches, look at that light. So good. To allow the fruit production to be high. You see? Initially, as I entered inside, it was dark. But now it is bright. It means that there is enough sunlight going in. And also, we use when the branches dry, we use the branches as firewood. And also, it can also be used as mulch. You see, when they are on the ground, it acts as a mulch for the tree, for the avocado tree. Very beautiful. You see, after, at least I've reduced the branches or the leaves. That is after. Very beautiful. Self-sufficiency on the farm. After selling our avocados, we get cash that we can use to buy the things that we don't have. Look at that beauty. avocados take about 3 years to be ready. It doesn't take so long. So, if you like my video, give it a like, subscribe, and let's meet in the next video. See you. Bye bye.